Okay, one tiny detail that makes a big difference when it comes to longevity of your roof. So let me show you real quick. Leading edge of your drip edge. You see this from the ground a lot. The shingle right here is actually dead even with it, maybe a little bit back, and you can see there's caulking there. Why is there caulking there? Because the roofer didn't do it right. The homeowner had a leak, they called the roofer, they didn't come back out, so the homeowner caulked it and it solved the leak. It's not long-term, this is a short-term fix. How do you stop this from happening? Let me show you. Right here, they actually stuck the shingle out a little bit further from the drip edge. The water's gonna come drip way out here and drop. When it's even, it can turn and run back underneath between the drip edge and the shingle right in here. It can run underneath there. This is gonna stand a lot more chance of it not leaking where the water comes way out and drops down. And the homeowner had to caulk all this. So a lot of manufacturers actually recommend to have the shingle stick past the drip edge a ½ inch. It's a much better system, protects you better. But the key to this is the roofer never came back out. And that's why we have one of the largest repair departments in the state, because we see this all the time with competitor roofing companies. So it's really important that you hire a real roofing company, not a sales team. So in this industry, there's sales teams and then there's roofing companies. Sales teams are really good at persuading you to buy their product. Presentation is good, they come out on time, they're fantastic at the sale. But when it comes to installing the roof, they have no idea because they're not a roofing company. They're a sales company. So this is why it's important. All these little details are what's going to provide you a longevity, so you don't end up like this homeowner with all these tarps on your roof 5 years later and you can't get a hold of the roofing company, local company.